And that's coming from a rookie.
Oo.
He led the PB in 4 different categories as a rookie last season when he averaged 17.9 points and 8.4 rebounds.
Banggitin na natin na si Marlo Aquino nalamangan na si Nelson Asaitono sa karera patungo sa MVP. So this is another sidelight of this game dahil kung papasok ang Gordons, obviously Nelson Asaitono's chances will even be damaged by that loss by San Miguel.
Well, not only that, the last game of Nelson Asaitono was a low output for him, only 5 points.
Ito si Asaitono, sila pa yan ni Chris King. At magkakaroon ng loose ball foul. It could go, let's see, Vince Hizon.
Malaking tawag yon.
And again, referee Chua making that call. Nasa penalty na ang parehong koponan.
Well, partner, before that, of course, the 2 missed free throws of Marlo Aquino.
Again, ang San Miguel Beer trying to make a rematch of their 1987 meeting with Hills Brothers, yung Alaska Milk nung araw, and their 1995 Governor's Cup meeting with Alaska. They are 1-1 sa championship series laban sa Alaska Milk. Ang Gordons Gin hindi pa nananalo laban sa Alaska Milk in a championship series. Asaitono making the first free throw.
Partner, the last game of San Miguel Beer when Asaitono scored only 5 points was the first time he fell below double digits in the entire season. And now there's only one local player who has scored double figures in all his games. Yan po ay si Jeffrey Carriazo ng Bobby Line.
At si Asaitono dinagdagan ng kalamangan ng San Miguel Beer 75-71. At tatawag ng timeout si Val David. Tingnan natin kung ito ay magiging 30-second or full timeout. Let's see. It will be a full timeout para sa Gordons Gin.
Outlast Battery, winner of international awards for quality.
Off that timeout, nakakuha ng 2 puntos si Marlo Aquino. So ang abante pa ng San Miguel Beer, natapyas sa 2 puntos, 75-73 as we near the winning time dito po sa PBA. The last 2 minutes is brought to you by Hope Luxury Cigarette.
Partner, maganda na ang depensa ni Chris King kay Jeff Ward. He fronted him. Eto, patikan ng bola.
At may loose ball foul ay tinawag si referee Tangonan. Laban kay Noli Locsin. Yes, it will be against Noli Locsin here. Panglima na yan ng the tank.
Partner, kanina nahirapan ng San Miguel Beer to work the ball inside for Jeff Ward because maganda ang depensa ni Chris King fronting him. Eto.
Hindi matanganan ni Jeff Ward. Nagkatapikan yan. And then Locsin, you saw
he
that
locked
play.
arms, yes.
Yes.
Tama yung tawag ng referee.
Jeff Ward making his first free throw. And this is going to come down to this. Dahil parehong koponan nasa penalty ginito, the free throws will be very, very important.
Eto si Vince Hizon. Hindi pa pumuputok sa larong ito. Vince Hizon with only 1 point in this game.
Yung mga inaasahan ng Gordons Gin, patuloy na hinahanap pa rin nila.
O partner, si Pido Horencio nakaupo.
Yes.
And Coach Robert Jaworski going with Val David who has scored only 6 points in this game.
0 in the fourth, yes.
Ito na yung double team.
Hizon.
Ang hinahanap nila si Hizon.
Libre si
Ay,
Locsin.
Locsin.
Maiksi yan. Binihibi niya yung tiran. Lead pass. Mustre hinabol. At may foul na ibibigay si Vince Hizon.
Vince Hizon giving up the foul to prevent the fast break layup.
Pido Horencio is standing up and looking very frustrated. Watch this play muna. It was actually a bad pass dahil yung bola hindi eksakto doon sa tao. Hinabol ni Vince Hizon to break up an easy layup or a fast break. And he will pick up a foul here.
And Mike Booster.
Ayan si Pido.
Ayan po si Pido Horencio kanina nakabuslo ng 2 3-point shot.
Yes. And nakaupo si Horencio. He has made, talking about Pido Horencio, he has scored 9 points. Lahat nakuha niya sa 4th quarter and yet nakaupo right now si Pido Horencio.
Well, Gayoso is checking back in. Alam po natin ito si Gayoso had 10 points at the end of the first half. And he had a 4-point play yata nakakonect siya. No?
Back in the first quarter, yes, second quarter. Misablay ang tira ni Mike Mustre. Abante po San Miguel Beer ng 5. This game is by no means over. Alam natin ang recuperating powers ng Gordons but they've got to do it.
Eto si Chris King.
3-point shot, Chris King, malakas. Gayoso with the rebound. Ilalabas niya, si Locsin, titira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Aquino offensive rebound, wala pa rin. Chris King, one more time, yes! Lead is down to 3.
But a partner, too many three-point attempts by Gordon's Gin when there's still a lot of basketball time to go. At maswerte ang Gordon's Gin, nakapulot ng offensive rebound and a putback si Chris King.
Rosella, bumipay ng baseline. Goes up. Oh, what a move!
Olson Rosella down the baseline.
At ang San
One, time for Alaxan. Also for rheumatism and arthritis. Even for toothaches.
Welcome back, Philippines. Noli Yala po kasama si Kinito Henson para sa huling 51 saglit ng ating knockout Sunday game ng PBA Commissioner's Cup.
Three-point shot! Yes! A big three-point shot na hindi challenge ng depensa ng San Miguel Beat. Dalawa na lang ang laban ng San Miguel.
What a game! Kung akala mo tapos na yung laro, hindi. Babalik ang isang koponan. And now Gordon's Gin coming back. That much time remaining.
Malayo pa to.
Rosella, hinahanap si Jeff Ward. Cut ni Rosella, walang pasa. 6 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Covering at tinawag kay Mike Mustre.
Big infraction on the part of Mike Mustre. Again, hindi nila naipasa yung bola kay Jeff Ward. Maganda yung front defense ni Chris King kay Jeff Ward. Dinideny ni Chris King yung passing lane para kay Jeff Ward.
Gordon's Gin with only one more full timeout. Chris King. Inilabas sa 3. Nandun si Locsin. Lumapit. Laban kay Mike Mustre. Nasa likod si Rosella. Muntik na maagaw. Inilabas. Chris King. Only 9 seconds shot clock. And a good shot ni Locsin. And listen to this crowd.
And the score is tied.
9 seconds remaining. We'll be back. From rocking with 9 seconds remaining. Tabla po ang ating talaan. Yan ang ating game reset. Bola ng San Miguel. They opt to inbound sa kanilang backcourt.
And partner, what San Miguel Beer cannot afford to do is to give up the ball on a steal. And they've got to get the shot up.
Rosella!
Ito rin yung tira ni Rosella. Wala.
Ward, wala pa rin. And that will do it.
And it will go into overtime. And Gordon's Gin not fouling, which is a good thing to do because both teams in the penalty. And now the crowd so much into it. 5-minute extension, mga kaibigan.
This knockout game is not yet over. We need 5 more minutes para ma-decide itong knockout game. We'll be back, mga kaibigan. Tayo nitong dalawang koponan na to to get to the finals, and we will need extra minutes to decide this ball game. 80 all after 4 quarters, mga kaibigan. At balik tayo sa igang square one para dito sa knockout Sunday PBA game ng Commissioner's Cup.
Partner, the last 2 minutes, I think the key man was Chris King. Yung kanyang 3-point shot at saka yung depensa niya
Yung
on
pasa niya,
Jeff Ward.
yung isa pa niyang pasa.
Yung isa pang pasa.
Oo.
He has been the key man here for Gordon's Gin.
One thing going for San Miguel Beer, 5 fouls ni Locsin, ni Gayoso, nitong si, and then several other key players including Marlo Aquino. Samantala, 3-point shot ni Asaytono Mintis. Baldavid with the rebound. Siya nagdala. Tuloy-tuloy si Baldavid. All the way to the basket!
Wide open lane for Baldavid. A fast break attack.
Gordon's has strung up 7 straight points. Mamula nung nilamangan ng San Miguel Beer ng 5 sila.
Well, partner, biglang nag-spatter yung offense ng San Miguel Beer once again.
Asaytono, 6 seconds na lamang muli sa kanilang shot clock. It's down to 3. Mustre, lumapit, inilaglag pa, naubusan ng oras.
Eto si Baldavid again.
No,
He's stepping up. Okay.
Yes, mukhang mabalik dahil sa ingay dito. Hindi na marinig yung dito. Pero grabe ang ngayong ipinapakita ng intensity kinito ng Gordons, hindi lamang sa opensa kundi sa kanilang depensa.
Yes, and especially ito si Chris King. Napakaganda ng depensang nilalaro niya against Jeff Ward. Hindi na makahawak ng bola ito ni Jeff Ward.
Yes.
Yung kanyang denial defense, yung front defense.
Yan yung
Trouble
sinasabi natin.
situation.
Yes.
Ang dami pala. With 5 fouls, ito si Chris King being hounded by Abuda. A shot!
Oh! And he's feeling it, Pinito. He's
Yes.
feeling the
He's
shot
taking
now.
charge.
Yes.
Chris King is taking charge of this ball game offensively and defensively.
4-point lead para sa Gordon's Gin. 3 minuto at kalahati po ang nalalabi.
And San Miguel Beer is taking too long trying to work the ball inside for Jeff Ward. Ito.
Oh, ang hirap na tira yon.
He was
Pinasakit.
fouled.
And Jeff Ward will go to the free throw line. JB Gayoso will pick up his 6th personal